Okay, y'all, I am in Family Dollar and I noticed they have some socks in here marked down, but they are cheaper than what they are saying. Like these are saying $10. The Hanes, they are actually $4.47. And then on these ladies, they are saying 6.75, but they are $1.97, y'all. So it's always important to scan the items when they have these quantities last times because they always rank up cheaper. And my cart is a mess, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on when I get home. But I'm doing the save 5 when you spend 15 on juices, playing around with some clearance items and purchasing some items. The save 5 when you spend 20 on P&G, and it is certain items. I know this is one for sure, but the clearance items I don't think are working on that. I don't know, first time being in a store today. I'm gonna have to check it out. But yeah, y'all keep an eye out on socks and underwear in y'all Family Dollar, because as you can see they have a lot of red tickets, and I'm just right here scanning away trying to see what I can get cheaper than what is what it's really saying. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get home to show y'all what I got and what y'all can get also and look out for. But that 5 off for 20 for the PNG stuff, I think it's only for today, one day only. Okay, y'all, I made it home from Family Dollar. Y'all, they got so much deals going on this week. It is ridiculous, but I am here to keep y'all informed on these deals. So you can always refer back to this video if you need help remembering when a deal was and all of this. And my whole objective, y'all, was to go to the Family Dollar because today only I looked at the coupon when I got home again in the app. Well, it is spend 20 on select P&G items, save $5. So when I was there at the Family Dollar, I picked up a 76 count of Tide Pods, which was on the list of items you could get, along with some other clearance laundry items. Y'all, my $5 did not come off, and then the expiration date on the coupon says tomorrow. So the lady at the Family Dollar had me thinking I was there the wrong day. So I was like, oh, well, just take that off and this and that. I didn't even fight or nothing. But then when I got home, on the coupon, it says the expiration date is tomorrow. So today was the day for me to save $5 on P&G items. So I didn't even get to do the deal. Probably won't even get to do the deal. But y'all, I did do this deal with these juices. It is today, which is the 20th, and tomorrow, which is the 21st. 5 off of 15 coffee, tea, and juice. And the coupon excludes the refrigerated drinks. So all of these drinks you see right here, plus more, are included in this 5 off of 15. And then I just threw some razors that were on clearance in with these juices. But let's start off with the Hawaiian Punch. It was $3.25. But they broke down the $5 and they took $1.30 off of this Hawaiian Punch, making it $1.95. Then on these Kool-Aid jammers, the tropical punch ones, they were $3.70, and they took $3.70 off of these, making these free. Then on the Kool-Aid Tropical Punch drink, it was $2.75. So two of them was $5.50. And then I got two of the Kool-Aid bursts. They were $2.10 each, totaling $4.20. So for all the juices, you see the total was $16.65. $5 came off, making all of these $11.65. So it made these like $1.94 each. Then on this razor, it was reduced to 447. I don't know if y'all can see the price on it, but 447. We have a $3 digital in the Family Dollar app, making its razors only $1.47. So the total for all of these items, including the razors, I paid $13.12 out of pocket, making each item $1.87, and that's still not bad. So tomorrow I might go back and do another juice deal. Can never have enough of juices with teenagers and toddlers because they run through drinks like nobody's business, and I haven't been doing any soda deals, so it's just strictly juice, and these are the juices that I got. So again, this week we are gonna start off with Tuesday, which is tomorrow. I know it's just such a short notice, and some people's money is not set up like that. And only how I be having money is because I resell, and then I try to buy more laundry stuff to replace what I sold. But yeah, y'all, I'm mad because this is such a short notice. But tomorrow only, which is 421, they will be having the 4 equals 8 sparkle towel paper on sale for $4. And this is called flash deals that they doing this week at Family Dollar. Then on Wednesday the 22nd, they will have buy two get two free Doritos. All the $4.25 Doritos. So if you buy two, you get two free. Then on the 23rd, they will be having $2 12-ounce Red Bulls, and that's right up my alley because I do drink Red Bull. Yes, I do. Yes, it's probably bad for you. I know this, and one day I will eventually stop because I was drinking coffee for a minute, but I stopped drinking coffee, started drinking Red Bulls. But that is the only caffeine intake I do have for the day. So if I drink a Red Bull, the rest of the day I'm not drinking nothing with caffeine in it. Everything else is caffeine free for the rest of the day. Now on the 24th, they will be having buy one, get one free Chestnut Hill Rising Crust pizzas. And I ain't never really had the Chestnut Hill brand, but I do want to check that out as well, because buy one, get one free on some pizza is not a bad idea, and cook it for the weekend and make it a weekend dinner. Then for 2 days only, y'all, they are having this juice deal, which is spend 15 get 5 off. Then they are also having 5 off of 15 for the hot and cold cereal. Then I want to do that deal as well because I do need to get stocked back up on my cereal. Then on the 20th and the 21st as well, they will be having save $15 when you spend. No, save. Hold on. Save $15 on hold on, y'all. I done messed up the deal. Okay, y'all. It was save 15 when you spend 35 or more on any comforter set at Family Dollar. I don't know if anybody's interested in that, but that's kind of good. Like if you are moving, I just want to upgrade and put a new comforter on your bed. Not bad, saving $15 when you spend 35 or more. And plus, well, I don't know, you might could catch a comforter on sale and end up getting two of them for the price of one. So I haven't checked out the prices on their comforters, but I know sometimes they sneak sales in. And y'all, I did show y'all some socks at Family Dollar. I put them back because I was on a budget, but they were $1.97, and I showed you them. They was the black women's socks, but y'all, I put them back because I was on a budget. Now let me show y'all some clearance laundry items I got. Even though I didn't get to say my $5, I'm still gonna show y'all some clearance laundry items from Family Dollar because they still out here. So let's get into those laundry deals. Okay, y'all, here are some laundry items I picked up in the process of thinking that I was about to get my 5 off of 20. But with these items, that coupon definitely did not work, and I definitely did not get to get in on that deal, but that's okay. We'll probably have more coupons in the future. But let's get into some of these prices in case y'all see some of these items and want to get them. These Tide Ultra Oxy White Pods are $6.90, and it's 18 of them in there. And they do have the Tide Liquid White that's on clearance as well. I don't know how many loads that one is in particular, but they are both on clearance. Then the second one I got was these Gain Flings, and it's the 24 count Super Fresh Blast, and that's the name of them right there in the corner. They was $5.20 for 24 count. Found one of these Super Fresh Blast, the 32 loads. It is $4.90. And then all of the 45 load ones were $6.70 still. Then we have the Downy Unstoppable Beads. They are still at $7.75. And last but not least, the Downy 5 ounce is $3.60. We have $1 coming off in the Family Dollar app, making these $2.60, y'all. Not bad at all if you ask me, but these are the laundry items I picked up, and it is about that time for me to end this video. So like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deal I'll be dropping next. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.